Hello guys, myself Manoj Sharma. Welcome to TechnoSage. So in this video, let's talk about the if function in Excel. The if function is a logical function that is designed to return one value if a condition you specify evaluates to true and another value if it evaluates to false. It is a normal if condition. So you have a condition. If that condition is satisfied, a true value is returned. If that condition is not satisfied, a false value is returned. So as you can see on the screen, we have the formula architecture of the if function that has three parameters. First is the logical test, the test that you evaluates. Second is value if true. So if the logical test pass, the value if true will be considered. Else, if the logical test fails, then the value if false will be picked up by the if function. So let's implement this with the simple example. So we have the bonus spreadsheet. So under the bonus spreadsheet, we have some salesperson name and we have the sales number over here. We have the sales target. So as you can see, for the first person, the sales target is 50. The sales target is for everyone. So we have the sales as 30, but the sales target was 50. So there is a lag in the sales, right? So for him, the bonus amount would be 0. Similarly, for the second person, the bonus amount will also be 0. For next person, the bonus amount will be there and that bonus amount will be 2%. So a sales bonus would be 2%. So let's implement using the if function. Since we know that if this condition is false, they will not get the bonus. If the condition is true, they will get the bonus. So let's use the if function over here and then we will drag to apply the formula to all other cells in order to calculate the bonuses. Select the cell and click onto the formula bar. Once you click onto the formula bar, then the formula builder will open up. And under the formula builder, you will see something called if, sum. So nearly all the functions would be listed under the formula builder. Click onto the if condition. When you click onto the if condition, you will see the first field being the logical test. So the logical test was that the sales should be equals to or greater than the sales target. But since for all the other salesperson, the sales target is fixed, so this should be going under the absolute cell reference. If you don't know the concept of absolute cell reference, I have created a video on it. I will put the link in the description box. Please do check that video in order to understand what absolute cell reference is all about and why we are using it here. So we have fixed the sales target. So the sales should be greater than or equals to the sales target. This was the logical test. So next field is the value if true. So if the value is true, then our bonus amount would be decided. So the bonus amount was 2% of the sales. So we will click onto the sales and we will multiply it by 2%. And if let's suppose the value is false, then the sales amount would be 0. Hit enter and we'll close the formula builder. And now you can see that the bonus amount for this particular person, the first person, is 0 since it has not met or exceed the sales target. Now I will scroll down and will apply the formula to all the other cells. And you can see for the second person also it is 0. For the third person where the sales was 100 and it was exceeding the sales target, so we are giving 2% of its sales. That is $2 or rupees or whatever your conversion ratio is. So this was the numeral value. You can also give the string value also. Like instead of 0, you can give no bonus or something like that. So again, go to the formula builder. And under the formula builder, under the if condition, so instead of value if false, we will write no bonus. And now we will drag it to apply to all other cells. And this time instead of 0, it is just giving me the statement as no bonus. So this is easy to understand and read. So this is all about the if function, which is a logical function that is designed to return one value, either the false or true, depending upon the condition you are putting into it. I hope you understood the if function well. Please do let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions or queries, please do let me know in the comment section as well. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.